Hi, I'm Jesse Boyd, the Redford market expert. I'm not really sure what week it is, but today is a general business discussion, and it's about making yourself replaceable in your business. So I've owned a lawn maintenance company for it's about our 11th season. It's the company I've owned for the longest amount of time, and how I've learned all my long, hard and tough lessons. And the biggest thing I've learned is you need to make, as a business owner of any type of business, you need to make yourself replaceable. And this is done by creating systems that run your business, whether you are working, sweating, bleeding, or preferably not. And this comes down to basically creating procedures, checklists, forms, and now I do it with every new business, every new venture I start. I start a file folder on my computer, and I start breaking stuff out, and I'm adding files to there all the time, which is basically, I'm adding those types of things, making checklists for things I've done, writing procedures, instructions, and making up forms. Basically, you want to set up your business so that someone else, if you organize those files, checklist forms in a way, someone else would pretty much be able to go in and replace you. I use all this material to train new people, to hire employees, give instructions for independent contractors, which is probably more relevant to real estate than as employees, as investors. But I just checked the properties on my Grass Bandits file folder, and over the years I've created, saved over 16,000 files. Some of those files are more important than others, but basically contained within those 16,000 files is my business. Everything necessary to run my business is in that file, and it's all about procedures, checklists, and creating systems. So you should be, as your business owner, a systems manager. If you're a technician in the day-to-day grind, doing everything yourself, something is wrong. You should not be doing everything. Certainly you have responsibilities, things that need to get done, but if you're doing every single thing in your business, you're doing it wrong. You need to take the things that are you're getting the least value of your time, create a system, a process for doing it, and delegate. You need to delegate. And this is not easy to do, but your business will flourish if you learn how to delegate properly. And another word on your files and everything on your computer, it is so true that every little bit of my business is pretty much on the computer. It is very important that I buy what I call cheap insurance for my business files, which is just a remote. I subscribe to a remote backup service. I'm using Mozy.com right now. I pay an annual subscription for a certain amount of space, and twice daily all my data on my entire computer gets backed up, because if I lost that data, I would be freaking screwed. Pretty much all, like a decade of work would be lost, and I'd have to start from scratch with all those forms, checklists, and procedures, and it would suck. So set up your systems, get them in place, delegate, and back it up. I'm Jesse Boyd, the Redford market expert. Thanks for watching.